Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you a quick little time lapse of how I was able to get my hair in these really cute flat twists. I was going for like a 90s look. Let me know if you think that I accomplished that at the end. But yeah, if you want to see how I was able to get this done, I'm going to show you the whole process. Alright y'all, so first things first is to detangle. You know, if you've been here for a while, that my hair gets super tangled really fast. So the detangling process is what takes up most of this entire video, honestly. I kind of wanted to give y'all like a realistic view of how long it takes to detangle my hair, and also I left a lot of these clips in because I wanted y'all to be able to see what my hair looks like up close, because I did just recently get my hair retightened last weekend. So this is about 1 week old retie. I know that y'all been wanting to see like what my grid looks like and everything. And you can't really see it in this video, but you can kind of see, especially towards the back where we had to restart some of my locks. But overall, I think that I made the right decision about going to a loctician because my hair is continuing to grow and it's just a whole lot healthier since I've been on a consistent retie schedule. So yeah, I left a lot of these clips in because I just thought that it could be kind of like a little raggedy hair tour, like not calling my hair raggedy, but you know, not an official hair tour, but you can kind of see it a little bit better because I know that I haven't been showing y'all what my grid looks like or anything like that in my lock updates. I don't know why. I need to do that. So the next time I do a lock update, I might show y'all a little bit more up in depth, but for now, this is what y'all got. So just popping in here to give y'all my thoughts, but if I could go back, I'm not sure if I would get locks this small because the detangling process is pretty tedious. And honestly, I think that it depends on your hair texture because my mom also has Microlocs, but she has 4C hair. Her hair is like significantly more coily than mine, and her hair doesn't get as tangled as mine. I don't know what it is. I'm just going to chop it up to it being the hair texture, but it seems like it only takes her like maybe 5 minutes to detangle her hair. We honestly were detangling my hair, y'all, for a little bit under 30 minutes. I'm not even lying to y'all, like 27 minutes of just detangling. Like, that's ridiculous. Now, granted, it might have been less if I had detangled my hair the night before, which I did not do. I need to get better at doing this every day so that it won't take as long, but yeah, I'm not sure where I was going with this thought, but I just wanted to mention it, I guess. Okay, do y'all see this lock right here that's closest to my face? So the locks that look like that, I have a few of them left still. I plan on just going through and cutting all of them. I've been doing it as I go pretty much. Every time I see a lock that's like thinner towards the top, at least significantly thinner towards the top, because some of them are a little bit thinner towards the top just because I went that long time without getting my retie done. But my loctician said that it's going to swell up just like the rest of my hair. But the ones that just look real bad, like the one I was showing y'all, the one that's like closest to my face, if y'all can see that, I go in and just cut those because, I don't know, I just don't like the way it looks right now. But the other ones that are like that aren't as bad, like the ends aren't as fat, I just leave it alone. my flat twist ended up turning out. It does not look how I was expecting, and I don't know, I guess the reason why is because I have locks. I do not have loose natural hair, so like my parts and everything are not as crispy as my inspiration pictures. I don't know why I thought that it was gonna look the same, but let me just pull up a picture. This is like the picture that I saw. So this is like kind of what I was going for, except I didn't want the two braids going down just because I don't know where my beads are, and I thought that it would look weird. So I just kind of wanted it to be like straight back a little bit, you know? That was like the vibe that I was going for. But yeah, I don't know. I just felt like it would look similar. I knew it wasn't going to be exactly crispy and look like exactly how the pictures look, because those women have loose natural hair and it's just a lot easier obviously to part it and get the parts like super straight. I'm not really a big hairstyles person, but I wanted to try something different going into this new week, and I wanted my hair to be out of my face, but I wanted it to be, I wanted it to kind of give Destiny's Child 1997 to 2001. Like the way Beyonce and Michelle would wear their hair. Yeah, I was trying to go for that. Like a 90s girl group, like pulled back with the braids or a twist of some kind. So yeah, these are flat twist. And I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of them. And I wanted to make sure that I go ahead and do this while my hair is still partially fresh, because I just got my locks retightened last week. And already you can see it's trying to get frizzy. That's just because the weather is really nasty outside and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to do this while I felt like I still could, because in a couple of weeks I don't think it will look this cute because my hair is going to get really frizzy and stuff as I get closer to my next retie. But yeah, this is how it looks. I just put it up into a half up just because it looked a little weird and unfinished when I just left it down, so that's why I just put it into a half up. But my original plan was just to have it like in a ponytail or just to wear it down with the flat twist going back, but it looked strange. I don't know, maybe because I was doing it odd, maybe because I was just doing it weird, I don't know, but yeah. But overall, I think that it's cute. I think that, you know, it's good for what it is. It's just not looking exactly how I envisioned, but it is cute still. I think next time, whenever I try to do a style on my hair, I'm gonna do it like the same week that I get a retie, and maybe do like some smaller braids. Maybe that would give me the look that I was going for. I don't know, but we'll see. Tonight I'm going to braid like the rest of my hair, or maybe twist it, so that tomorrow I can have like a better chance of having like a little curl going on. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Again, let me know what other styles you would like to see me try out on my Microlocs. I'll talk to y'all in my next one, and I'm out.